Hey everyone, what's up? Have you ever stopped to think about where you belong in the world? What would be the ideal role for you? The peace of the countryside or the adrenaline of the city? Today we've prepared a super fun quiz to help you figure it out. By the end you'll know if you're meant to be planting bananas on a farm or living it up in the hustle and bustle of Sao Paulo. Ready, let's go. First question, and this one is a golden one. Listen up, the alarm clock is ringing. Option A. You wake up to birds singing and the smell of fresh coffee. Imagine the peace, the morning breeze. Are those the good vibes you're looking for? Then write down a point for countryside. Option B. You open your eyes and you're greeted by the city view. Everything's moving and you're rushing to get your coffee. The urban symphony is calling you. Do you relate? Mark a point for city because you, my friend, have the energy of a crowded subway. Ah, sweet laziness. It's time to think about your moment of peace. Option A. Walking outdoors, exploring some cool trails, or getting your hands dirty in the garden, feeling the ground beneath your feet, listening to the sounds of nature. Is that your thing? Another point for Team Countryside. Option B. Going to the mall, checking out some awesome events, or trying out new restaurants, going out to see people, putting on your best outfit, and spending your hard-earned money trying new things. If you're already thinking about your next outing, write down another point for city, cookie. Time to dream big. Close your eyes and imagine. You're at your peak, fulfilled, ready to relax and enjoy the view. Option A. A porch with a view of the countryside and a hammock to relax in. Reading a book, having a coffee, smelling the freshly cut grass. Countryside soul detected. Mark another point for yourself. Option B. A rooftop with a view of the city lights? Are you mesmerized by the city lights? A drink in hand, ambient music, and that breathtaking view? If you've already pictured yourself in this scenario, you're a true city person. Mark another point. We already know where you relax, but how about getting there? How do you prefer to get around on a daily basis? Adventure or practicality? Choose. Option A. By bicycle, on foot, or with peaceful transportation. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the scenery while cycling or walking. Another point for Team Countryside because you value simplicity and peace of mind. Option B. By car, subway, or in the fast flow of traffic. For you, time is precious and practicality is queen. If you don't mind the traffic and will face any adventure to get to your destination quickly, congratulations, you're city through and through. Mark another point. Last question, everyone, but not least important. At the end of the day, what makes a place special is the people. Option A. I prefer a small, close-knit community where everyone knows each other. Do you like that feeling of belonging, of having longtime friends and knowing everyone's name on the street? Countryside is your place. You can mark your last point with pride. Option B. I like diversity and meeting new people all the time. Are you energized by the city and do you jump at the chance to meet new people around every corner? Your trademarks are curiosity and a desire for new experiences. City is your motto. Did you write down your last point? Final verdict. Countryside or city? So, what was your result? Were you surprised? Or did you already know which team you were on? Tell me in the comments. Regardless of your score, the important thing is to feel good in the place you choose to call home, whether it's a quiet corner in the countryside or the beating heart of the city. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with that friend who's also torn between the countryside and the city. See you in the next video. Bye!